Hello student, myself Shantipada Dua, teacher of Midnapur College Autonomous, Department of Computer Science and Application. All are welcome to my YouTube channel GBTCS Group. Now question, why does such name? I have a personal software company named Global View Transcendental Computer Solution, in abbreviate or nickname GBTCS, website www.gbtcs.com. Now I explain why does it called group. This company serves multi-needs like custom softwares, text and video tutorials, projects, latest seminar topics, previous year question paper of NET, GATE, SET, JECA, etc., interview question answers, etc. That is, it serves a collection of or group of solutions. So, my YouTube channel name is GBTCS Group. To find my all videos, just go to YouTube channel and search GBTCS Group. All will be available. 3 playlists are there in 3 languages, namely Bengali, English and Hindi. Theory and practical guidelines of each subjects are also given there. This channel is important and resourceful for computer science students for school level to university level. Beyond this, it is same helpful for technical and engineering courses like BTech in computer science and engineering, BTech in information technology, BTech in network and data communication, data science, network security, and even for researcher and professionals too. Let's start video tutorial.
Numerical. Numerical. Content in depth. Unit 1. Numerical errors. Numerical errors. Unit 2. Finite divided difference. Divided difference. Unit 3. Interpolation. Unit 4. Numerical differentiation. Numerical differentiation. Unit 5. Numerical integration. Unit 6. Solution of non-linear equation. Algebraic and transcendental. Solution of nonlinear equation, algebraic and transcendental. Unit 7. Solution of system of linear equation. Unit 8. Solution of ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. Unit 9. Solution of partial differential equation. Unit 10. Solution of integral equation. Solution of integral equation. In numerical, I will discuss Unit 1 numerical errors, Unit 2 finite divided difference, Unit 3 interpolation, Unit 4 numerical differentiation, Unit 5 numerical integration, Unit 6 solution of nonlinear equation, that is algebraic and transcendental equation. Unit 7 solution of system of linear equation. Unit 8 solution of ordinary differential equation. Unit 9 solution of partial differential equation, and the last unit, Unit 10, that is solution of integral equation. Next, I discuss each unit in depth. Unit 1 numerical error. Unit 1 numerical errors. Content in depth. Floating point. Forms of numbers. Chopping and rounding a number. Chopping and rounding a number. Significant digit. Significant digit. Loss of significant. Loss of significant digit and its avoidance. The significant digit, loss of significant digit and its avoidance. Errors. Errors. Round of error. round of error, local truncation error, local truncation error, global truncation error, propagation error. Propagation error, exercises, okay. These are total content under numerical error, that is unit 1. Similarly, I discuss unit 2, that is finite divided difference. Unit 2, finite difference. Finite divided difference. Content in depth. Content in depth. Forward difference. Forward difference. Backward difference. Central difference. Exercises. Okay. Next, I am going to discuss unit 3, that is interpolation. Unit 3, interpolation. Interpolation. Content in depth. Content in depth. Polynomial interpolation. Polynomial interpolation. Lagrange interpolation. Newton's forward interpolation. Newton's backward interpolation. Inverse interpolation. Hermite interpolation. error, interpolation error, approximation, and interpolation by spline function. Approximation and interpolation by spline function. Interpolation by piecewise linear function. Interpolation by piecewise linear function. Next, least square approximation. Least square approximation. Cubic spline interpolation. Cubic spline interpolation. Minimality properties. Minimality properties of cubic spline interpolants. Minimality properties of cubic spline interpolants. Multidimensional interpolation. Multidimensional interpolation. Exercises. These are total content under Unit 3, that is interpolation. Next I discuss numerical differentiation. Unit 4, numerical differentiation. Numerical differentiation. Cubic spline method. Cubic spline method. Exercises. Next, Unit 5, numerical integration. Numerical integration. Numerical integration. In depth. trapezoidal rule, Simpson 1/3 rule, Simpson 3/8 rule, Boole's and Wedel's rule. Boole's and Wedel's rule. Cubic spline. Cubic spline. Newton's Cotes. Newton-Cotes integration rule. Newton-Cotes integration rule. Exercises. Exercises. This is total content under unit 5, that is numerical integration. Similarly, I discuss unit 6, that is solution of nonlinear equation. Unit 6, solution of nonlinear equation. Solution of nonlinear equation, algebraic and transcendental. And transcendental. Solution of nonlinear equation, algebraic and transcendental. Content: in depth. Fixed point iteration method. Fixed point iteration method. Bisection method. And convergence analysis. Bisection method and convergence analysis. Second method, Newton-Raphson's method. Newton-Raphson method and convergence analysis. Newton-Raphson method and convergence analysis. Iteration method. Regula-Falsy method. Regula-Falsy method. Regula-Falsy method. Ramanujan method Ramanujan's method, Muller's method. Muller's method. Exercises. Exercises. That means total content, fixed point iteration method, bisection method and convergence analysis. Second method, Newton's Raphson method and convergence analysis. Iteration method, Regula Falsi method, Ramanujan's method, Muller's method, and at last exercises. Similarly, I discuss Unit 7, that is solution of system of linear equations. Unit 7, solution of system of linear equation. Solution of system of linear equation. Content in depth. Matrix inverse method. Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method. Gauss-Jordan method. Gauss-Jordan method. Jacobi and Gauss-Seidel iterative method. Jacobi and Gauss-Seidel iterative method. Eigenvalue problem. Eigenvalue problem. Eigenvalue problem. Exercises. These are total content under Unit 7, that is solution of system of linear equation. Next, I discuss Unit 8, that is solution of ordinary differential equation. Unit 8. Solution of ordinary differential equation. Solution of ordinary differential equation. Content in depth. Euler method. Euler's method. Modified Euler's method. Modified Euler's method. Hewn method. Hewn method. Hewn method without iteration. Hewn method without iteration. Midpoint method. Midpoint method. Ralston's method. Ralston's method. Rangutta method. First order and second order. First and second order. Classical fourth order. Rangutta method. Classical fourth order Rangutta method. Finite difference method. Finite difference method. Cubic spline method. Cubic spline method. Exercises. Exercises. These are total content under solution of ordinary differential equation. Next I discuss unit 9, that is numerical solution of partial differential equation. Unit 9. Numerical solution of partial differential equation. Numerical solution of partial differential equation. Content in depth. For Laplace equation, for Laplace equations, Jacobi's method, Gauss-Seidel method, successive successive over relaxation, Eshwar method, successive over relaxation, Eshwar method, ADI method. For parabolic equation, iterative method, for hyperbolic equation, exercises. These are total content under solution of partial differential equation, that is unit 9. Next I discuss last unit, that is unit 10, numerical solution of integral equation. Unit 10, numerical solution of integral equation. Numerical solution of integral equation. For Fredholm equation, content in depth, for Fredholm equation, method of degenerate kernel. Method of degenerate kernels. Quadrature method. Use of Chebyshev series. Cubic spline method. Singular kernels. singular kernels, method of invariant embedding, method of invariant embedding, exercises, this is total content under unit 10, that is numerical solution of integral equation. This is total content under numerical. I have already discussed each unit in depth. In my numerical video lecture series, I will discuss each unit very clearly with suitable example and its corresponding C program too. So it has two responsibilities. One is learning the method and another is learning the program. So it is very important and too much important to repeatedly pen and paper practice. Otherwise, it is quite impossible to learn the method, to learn the program. You never master this subject. Otherwise, it will be quite impossible to learn or nobody teach you at all. I hope you will obey me. Thank you all.